Welcome to Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel, Nigeria's practical real estate law podcast for property buyers, investors, diaspora Nigerians, landlords, tenants, and real estate entrepreneurs. Dr. Prince Joel is a legal entrepreneur, property consultant, dispute resolver, author, and real estate investment coach. On this podcast, he breaks down real estate law, land ownership, title verification, tenancy rights, inheritance, due diligence, property transactions, and dispute resolution in plain English. No jargon, no textbook talk, just practical legal knowledge to help you protect your money, your property, and your future. Need legal help with your property? Dr. Prince Joel provides property verification, title searches, dispute resolution, and transaction protection. Book a consultation at drprincejoel.com/consultation. Call or WhatsApp +234 803 486 9295 or +234 802 055 0410. Subscribe now on YouTube and Spotify. Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel. Protecting properties, preserving peace, preventing loss.
State, are you ready? Are you a landlord, tenant, a developer, a real estate investor, an agent, or a lover of property? If yes, tune into Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel every Tuesday at 9 o'clock a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on Echo FM 100.7 Owerri. Here are the details of what to expect on the program. 1. All you need to know about real estate investment, development, and documentation. 2. The legal roadmap to property ownership and acquisition. 3. Eagle Eye Due Diligence. 4. Land dispute, how they start, how they escalate, and how they are resolved. 5. Demolitions, notices, and your rights. 6. Tenants, landlords, developers, and communities. 7. Life scenarios, real stories, practical solutions. This program is not just informative, it is preventive, it is protective, it is empowering. Dr. Prince Joel is a real estate investment coach, a property consultant, property resolver, and arbitrator. Don't forget to tune in every Tuesday at exactly 9 o'clock a.m. to 9:30 a.m. every Tuesday. This program is proudly sponsored by Prince Joel Real Estate Academy Limited. Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel. Protecting properties, preserving peace, preventing loss.
Echo FM. It's the sound of the city. Echo 100.7.
All right, good morning and welcome to Law and Property Live here on Echo FM 100.7. Our program sponsored by Dr. Prince Joel. And of course, everything you need to know about law and property. And of course, the Jackpot syndrome, if you want to jackpot and all those traveling agencies, everything you need to know, Dr. Prince Joel got your back. So let's join Dr. Prince Joel this very beautiful morning. Doc, good morning.
Good morning, Barry. Greetings to you, and good morning to our listeners.
Welcome aboard, sir. How about it now? He just leave us, go stay one side, just relax, Abi.
But he will always be inside club, you know.
Now and then.
We thank God for a good morning. We thank God for a good morning and a good start.
Yeah.
Today it's another interesting day. Barry, my birthday is counting. In the month of August, first week of August, precisely on the 4th of August, I will be marking, I not to celebrate, I will be marking my birthday, and I feel that it's a good opportunity to do a giveaway.
Wow.
Yes. So we're going to assess the giveaway by those that will visit my social media page on YouTube and on Instagram. I expect that they will go there and make comments. So the most consistent comments between this month and that date, the top three will receive a special gift from me.
Okay.
So what are you waiting for? Begin to subscribe to my social media pages, Instagram and YouTube, TikTok. The name is Dr. Prince Joel. Please just go there, subscribe, make your comments. If you've been learning from this program, please just go there. I'm looking for the most consistent person the person will have a special gift and a date with me.
Okay.
So we're going to select 3 of them. We might make it 5, but okay. So Barry, let's make it 5. Barry, now you go supervise this one, and now you go call the results.
No, Allah. We're going to see.
All right. So let's go straight to today's. Yeah, let's go straight to today's topic.
Okay. Welcome aboard, everybody. We're ready. We're ready. If I say today now, Wahala Mata won't solve.
All right, I consider it a very good hot topic,
Yeah.
So we're looking at layout versus village land. Layout. You have layout.
You can have layout.
Government layout versus village land. The disputes that you can say you know about or is happening within the New Owerri and the Avu and some other parts of Imo State. And this topic is one reason people lose millions in Imo State right now. I will start by, as usual, lay the foundation and allow Barry to take the questions and the answer. I'm fully prepared to take these questions and answer. So let's start with the history, how it all started. Layout, that is to say, government layout and village land. Okay? So we'll start with the foundation, when it started, how it started. In the year between 1976, between 1976 and 1995, there was a government acquisition in Imo State. The Imo State government acquired large hectares of land in the following areas: Avo, Ihiagwa, Obinze, Nekede, and the New Owerri, for what we call the Owerri Capital Territory Master Plan. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
All right. Now, it was gazetted under the Land Use Act of 1978. And once it is gazetted, the land legally vested in the government of Imo State. That is between 1976 and 1995. Move on. Between 1996 and 2010, there was what they call village resale of these lands that have been acquired by government. Are we making points? After some years, some village family members continue to sell what they call their ancestral land to individuals. They issued family receipts, they issued deeds. Buyers built houses thinking they were safe. But are you understanding me?
I'm hearing you.
Fantastic. Now, let's move forward. You can take notes so that you understand the story very well. The foundation. Between the year 2011 and 2026, there was a clash, and I call it the clash. Government started allocating the same land to estate developers, civil servants, and private buyers through certificate of occupancy. Now, it resulted to 2 owners
having one land.
Of land. The village buyers with a family deed versus the government allottees with a CFO. This is what we now call the layout versus the village land. In bracket, war.
War start.
You understand what I talk?
Yes, sir.
I beg. This is very important. Now, the areas affected, the Avu affected, Ihiagwa affected, Umuguma affected, Obinze affected, World Bank extension affected, New Owerri phase 2 and phase 3 affected. This takes me to the position of the law.
Okay.
Village land, government layout. Village land versus government layout. Now let's take notes. For the title, you have family receipts. That's from the part of the
the people.
community.
The village people.
Yes, you have family receipts. you have deeds, you have customary rights, while on the other side, on the government side, you have certificate of occupancy, and you also have allocation letter. Two of them, they compete, they fight. Now, for the family side, the authority is that the family head must execute, and the youth must participate. That's principal accredited representative of the family and the community. Now, on the other side, on the government side, you have the Imo State government and the Ministry of Land. Now, what are the problems? The problem is, one, there is a sale after acquisition. And once there is a sale after acquisition, it is what? It is void.
Yeah?
You understand? So very sometimes allocations on occupied land. Okay? So when there is such sale, it is void. Now, let's look at the legal status. I must say this, that if land was gazetted, if land was gazetted, the status becomes is stronger under the Land Use Act, that you have to make reference to Section 5 and Section 9. If the land was gazetted, it's stronger under the Land Use Act. Now let's look at the decisions that the court has taken over time. In the case of Nkwocha versus Governor of Anambra State, a decided case. And what happened there? It is established that once land is acquired and gazetted, the original owners only have rights to compensation. They cannot sell again. But are you feeling me? Are you feeling me? Are you feeling me?
Yeah, I'm getting
Once
you.
government has allocated, gazetted, the original owners only have a right to compensation. They cannot go and be selling the land that government has gazetted. Am I communicating?
Yeah. Everybody just need to learn this one. Yes. Before you buy.
That is the position, and that is the position of the law.
Okay.
Are you understanding me? So where village land versus government layout is contesting, and government has allocated, gazetted. Are you getting the point now? The position of the government becomes stronger
in the hands of the
because
law.
once government has gazetted, you cannot go and be reselling government land.
Okay.
But if the acquisition is wrongly done, then you have a right of action. If the government fails to go through the procedure to acquire the land, that is where lawyers do their best and recover the land back from government. But if the government goes through the legal procedure and the land is eventually gazetted and they have observed all the prerequisites and the acquisition is for overriding public interest, it becomes it. Larry, Barry, I push them back to you now. You can take it up from there.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Prince Joel, for that lecture this morning. I think everybody needs to know when they hear the word gazetted, it's not a big grammar, it's just a very simple word. Say government don't take the land, the government own. They have already acquired that land.
They don't publish it, but they are gazette. So,
so it's already been published, it's been announced, it's been allocated to one or two people. This is government land, that shall not go in there. So if you go there, that will concern you. All right, let's get to some questions. Because you have mentioned particular places, and a lot of people are having so many land issues in Avo, Iagua, Obinze, Nekede, and of course this new Owerri, which is Owerri Capital Territory, and their master plan. Now, the first question I would like to ask here is, well, if government has started allocating the lands to estate developers, civil servants, and private buyers through certificate of occupancy, and the owners of that land now decides to sell to the family of that same Avo Obinze community again, what becomes of that gazetted land?
Once a land has been gazetted, you cannot go and resell it. That is the position of the law.
Okay.
The highest you can do is to drag the government to court and go and try your legal strength there.
I mean, the land that has been gazetted allocated to somebody, given the person has a C of O and then sells the land? Because a lot of people do
so
that.
The person who has a C of O can transfer ownership interest. Yes.
Okay, fine.
Because government has already allocated the land to him. He has a C
At
of O.
that point, it's no longer government's land.
Remember that when government gives you a C of O, the government literally has given you a 99 years lease on the property.
Yeah.
So whatever you use out of that 99 years, you can sell the residue.
Now that's what I'm saying. After 99 years, can the government reclaim the land?
Absolutely. It's a lease of 99 years.
All right. So we needed to get that one out. The village land and government layout. That is what we are dealing with today. And of course, the legal status is that if a land is gazetted, that should not go there and buy from individuals except the government allocates it to you. So I bought a land from the village in Avo in 2018 and I have a deed. Is my land safe?
All right. It depends. It depends. The few questions that may also follow. Was the land already gazetted, acquired before 2018?
Mm-hmm.
If yes, then the village had no power to sell.
Okay.
The deed is void. You can only claim compensation from government, not the land.
Okay.
Are you understanding that?
All right. So the person that you bought it from is not compensating you. Only government will not compensate you.
That is it. Yes. Your deed is void. You can only claim compensation from government, not even the land.
So,
however, the action point here is that the person should go and do a gazette search at the Ministry of Land in Imo State or where it's there.
all right.
Immediately to confirm the status.
All right, great. So another question I want to ask is if, for instance, I have a government allocation letter from New Owerri, but the villagers are chasing me out, what do I do?
Okay, so what you need to do is you have the stronger paper, which is you must have the stronger paper legally. But remember that possession is 9/10 of law.
Okay.
Are you understanding my point?
Yeah.
Possession is 9/10 of law. So your action points will be reports to the Ministry of Land, investigate or police. You can also go to court for declaration of title or you seek for injunction. You can as well engage the community through the town union. But I will say do not fight, do not go physical, don't fight them physical.
Okay, fine. And that's a very tricky one. 9/10 still remain 1.2. So that 1 point within the inside. In Nigeria, 1.9. All right. Now, if I want to buy land in Avu, for instance, how do I know the land is a layout or a village land?
All right. I would say adopt my 3-step check. Adopt my 3-step check. My 3-step check will be do a gazette search. Is the area listed in Imo State Gazette as acquired?
Okay.
Land Ministry search.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a file for that plot number? Step number 3, physical.
Hello?
Chart and confirm if it falls within the new Owerri master plan.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense. All right. You have to do a physical survey from a licensed surveyor to chart and confirm if the land falls within the new Owerri master plan. Because if it fall there down concern, you go build what you're not supposed to build. If that place is supposed to be hospital or road, you can't go build. It's going down. According to UK, it's going down. It's going down.
It's going down.
Okay, so if a government gives a C of O, can they revoke that one too?
Yeah, if they can revoke it now. The answer is yes. If you go by Section 28 of the Land Use Act, Government can revoke for overriding public interest. Fear government, so fear government.
Okay.
They can revoke for what? Overriding public interest, like road, school, hospital, but they must pay compensation.
Okay.
If government acquire your land and they don't pay compensation, it's a grant for legal action.
Okay.
Whether they fit revoke or they fit acquire, they get too much power.
All right. In this case now, so all these landed properties in Avobins, the Naked, and the rest of them, who wins in court? Is it the village buyer or the government allottee? If both of them are in court, who buy a land?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Village buyers versus government allottee.
Mm-hmm.
Now the true position is that 90% of the time, those with government or government allottee with C of O wins. 90% of the time they win. Am I making a point?
Yeah.
But if the land was properly and gazetted, if the land was properly acquired and gazetted, that's the condition there.
Okay.
But if government never paid compensation to the original family, the family can sometimes do what?
Okay, go and reset that.
Sometimes get compensation, with delay the project.
Okay, nice one. So quickly, for our listeners, if you have a question concerning this one, please, now is the time to ask, because time is no longer our friend. Let's just get one or two questions and try and wrap up this program. We are still live on Law and Property here at Echo FM with Dr. Prince Joel, who has been giving us very wonderful coaching this morning. Let's take one call. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome aboard. This is how your good morning, the echo like this.
Yeah. Barry, good morning.
Welcome aboard.
Yeah. Before government, and Moses from Old Road.
Okay, Moses. All right.
Yeah. So before government will acquire the village land, don't they have a meeting with the village people to inform them that this is what we are going to do on this land?
Okay.
So that the villagers will know how to go about the land by not selling it out to the public.
Okay. Dr. Prince, all right, thank you very much for your message. And he's asking, before the government with gazette and allocate any land, are they not going to have meeting with the village people so that people will know that this land has been gazetted or given out to anybody?
Come again, let me understand the question.
He's saying, if government wants to gazette a land, are they not supposed to have a meeting with the owners of the land, as the village people, the Aboriginal owners of the land, before they do that? That's his question he's asking.
All right. You remember that I did say the procedure, the process and the procedure to acquire.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Engaging with the community is one of the process and the procedure. There's also what they call enumeration.
Yeah.
Okay. So usually the government, there's a procedure in the course of it. I have a different teaching and training. I also have a book on land acquisition by government.
Okay.
On land acquisition. Yeah. So enumeration is one of these. Okay, and engagement with the community, the family, the community, it's also a process. So of the truth, the government needs to engage with the community, the people affected, before they eventually publish and get to the point of...
but these days, what we see is government come and give order. They don't negotiate. They just give order.
That is why there are a lot of legal suits left and right. You understand? I remember that I said, once the process is not followed accurately, very often we see government acquire land and just sell to real estate developers. Are you getting the point now? At that point, it's no longer for overriding interest. But where it is for overriding interest, it's a ground to challenge. It's a ground to challenge the government.
All right. That finally there's
You
no
acquire
time
land,
again.
all of a sudden you sell them. You acquire land from the community. All of a sudden you carry and sell to
Developers. Yeah.
who are coming to make business and make money out of it. They will rise up and they will challenge it. And that's why today we have a lot of lawsuits.
All right, finally, how do I avoid this wahala of village and the layouts?
Okay, I will give a 5-step guide in my own opinion.
Quickly, we only have about 3 more minutes. Yes. We have about 3 more minutes, please. Hurry up.
Okay, so you don't start, Abi Barry. You don't start.
Today I don't want to give you 1 extra minute.
So 5-point assurance rule I will give.
Yeah.
One, I will say don't buy because it's cheap.
Okay.
Cheap land in your way is usually trouble. Take note of that.
Okay.
Number 2, verify at the Ministry of Land. Do your land verification and you save millions. Okay, and in doing your land verification, I will come back and say, engage the services of my company. Let me say it as raw as it is. To conduct a due diligence for you. The money no plenty, no 500, 200,000 naira. It save you millions of naira. Some people na Alaroro, according to Yoruba people, Alaroro, they will never want to spend for you to conduct any due diligence. Meanwhile, the name of my company is Due Diligence Consulting Limited, and what we're specializing in verification of title, due diligence, and name it. Number 3, get a property lawyer involved. Number 4, check the survey and the coordinates. It must match the government layout map. And the last one, avoid town union sales, community sales, omuna sales. Only buy from government or registered developers if you find yourself within that area that I've mentioned.
All right. Great one. All right. Just before we go, any information on our Europe trip?
Yes, so we're making progress. And for those who want to join relocation to Europe, as we talk before the already Nigeria, and I saw some people they put their bags together to Japa. I am available to guide you. My duty is to guide you step by step, and the number is 080-2055-0410. I'll take it again, 080-2055-0410. Are you thinking of relocating to Europe to work? Are you thinking of relocating to Canada? Are you thinking of relocating to Australia? Talk to Dr. Prince Jewel. Book a session with me today. But you see what I talk about?
I didn't hear you.
A session with me today. 1 hour, 30 minutes. You get a roadmap to your destination. You know where you go. You get movement. Okay? So I'm available. And for those who want me to do presentation, seminar, feel free to reach out. I'm available. The number is 080-20-55-0410. And for the books, my landlord and tenant book is available. I don't know why some people have not bought. Even when we reduce the money from 10,000 naira to 5,000 naira, some people will not go agree buy until they run into trouble. They will not pay more. We also have the real estate Bible, and we have the due diligence book. Any of these books, you can get them online, and you can as well send a text message and say you need this book. I should send a copy of this book to you, and I will gladly do so. The number again, I know Barry wants to chase me out. The number again is 0. When you don't reach to the end, Barry body the hot. 0.
You don't go talk now. Your time they go.
080-20-55-0410. Talk to somebody. Recommend what Dr. Prince Joel is doing on radio to somebody. Okay, help somebody who is in trouble. Deliver somebody until we depopulate the kingdom of ignorance in Imo State. Dr. Prince Joel will not let you be. Everybody.
All right.
Until we depopulate. I use the word depopulate the kingdom of ignorance. Ignorance. I don't know. Until we depopulate it, Dr. Prince Joel will not rest. Barry.
All right, that's great. Thank you very, very much, Dr. Prince Joel, for today's lesson.
Thank you for coming my way.
Okay.
Thank you for today.
Let's do this again.
Same time.
Yeah.
Same time.
Next
same
week.
station.
Thank you for listening to Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel. We hope this episode helped you better understand your legal rights, property risks, and the decisions that protect your investments under Nigerian law. For legal consultation, property verification, title searches, dispute resolution, or transaction protection, visit drprincejoel.com/consultation. Call or WhatsApp +234 803 486 9295 or +234 802 055 0410. Get Dr. Prince Joel's books and free resources through linktree/Dr. Prince Joel. Subscribe on YouTube and Spotify so you never miss an episode. Law and Property with Dr. Prince Joel. Protecting properties, preserving peace, preventing loss.